How to find QR code. In Ring Doorbell, unbox your Ring Doorbell and take it out of the packaging. Remove any protective coverings from the device. Look at the back of the doorbell for a sticker with a black and white square pattern. If you do not see it, gently remove the faceplate to check underneath, open the battery compartment and look for the QR code there. Open the Ring app on your phone and sign in to your account. Select Add a device from the app menu. Choose Doorbell as the type of device you are adding. Follow the on-screen instructions to scan the QR code using your phone camera. If scanning does not work, manually enter the setup code printed near the QR code. Check the original box for the QR code if the device is already mounted. Carefully remove the doorbell from its mounting bracket to see the back if needed. Write down or note the QR code for future reference. Contact Ring support if the QR code is missing or unreadable so they can assist you. Thank you for watching.